There have been many exciting and innovative advances in the biopharmaceutical industry the last 35 years. Although the techniques have changed over time, the reason why we do this has remained the same: to advance the development and the new therapeutic that save lives. It's exciting to see the collaborations and the knowledge sharing between the biopharma player. We are all ultimately connected and committed to support the patients by providing innovative drugs to the market.
We were actually founded as European consultancy in Freiburg, Germany, where I'm still working, in 1987, and later expanded to the US in 1989. Our customers were mainly doing insulin and plasma purification, and later the monoclonal antibodies came into the game. Biopharmaceutical innovation grew in the 90s. We grew right with it, establishing the Fast Trak services name and brand to reflect our commitment to get therapeutics to market faster.
So when the industry actually matured and processes became sort of larger and more productive, the market demand increased, especially for the antibodies. We also advanced our courses to include handling of equipment, more optimized resins like the MapSelect family, for example, for the capture step in antibodies. The company became an upstream company as well as downstream, and we basically had the full integration of all aspects.
In the past more than 30 years, we are very lucky to build factory service centers across the whole world, starting from Europe, then extending into North America. Finally, we built the 3 factory service centers in Asia-Pacific region. Fast Trak has built wide collaborations with other industry leaders to provide the technical training education with more coverage.
We are seeing a diversification of the pipeline to help curing the most challenging diseases. New modalities like mRNA or viral vector are in the same stage today than monoclonal antibody were 20 years ago. COVID-19 proved that we can go even faster in process development. We have set amazing new benchmarks, but this has also raised that constant pressure to reduce timelines.
So the combination of new modalities and the increased speed has resulted in talent crunch in the industry, which has now increased our need to train our biopharma customers more. E-learning trainings have emerged as a great solution for the need for training in the online world these days. And it also complements really well with the lab training and the hands-on training that we offer.
Looking into the future, digitalization of process development, I believe, is here to stay. We're going to keep on seeing it in many parts of the drug development, creating more robust processes as we speak.
Cytiva's Fast Trak scientists will be there every step of the way, as they have for the last 35 years.
Working closely with biopharma companies to optimize process development.
Share innovation and expertise.
And celebrate exciting new discoveries in the future.